Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Complete Assy Spit for American Range Part #A31100. Complete Assy Spit for American Range Part #A31100 is a complete assembly that includes all the necessary components to replace the spit on an American range oven. This assembly includes the spit rod, handle, and 2 forks. The spit rod is made of stainless steel and measures approximately 17 inches in length. The handle is made of plastic and measures approximately 3 inches in length. The 2 forks are made of stainless steel and measure approximately 2 inches in length each. This assembly is designed to fit all American range ovens with a model number. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Assy Spit for American Range Part #A31100 fixes symptoms such as a broken or malfunctioning spit rod, a damaged spit motor, or an inability to rotate the spit. It also helps to ensure that the food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the gas supply line from the existing valve. 2. Remove the existing valve and replace it with the new one. 3. Connect the gas supply line to the new valve. 4. Install the new pilot assembly and light it according to manufacturer's instructions. 5. Install the main burner assembly and connect it to the pilot assembly using a high-temperature silicone sealant or equivalent material. 6. Reinstall any removed components such as knobs, covers, etc., and test for proper operation before use. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.